YouTube? It's been a minute. You see the title? Let me show you this new track car.
Garage door.
Oh man, did I just clickbait you guys? The gunner's over there charging S1000. This gunner, man, charging it up. BMW S1000 is really cold. Track car. Did I clickbait you? I know you're laughing right now. All right, I got some explaining to do. 2018 Z011 LE, tons of modifications. Couldn't live without one. Once you have one of these cars, it's impossible to live without it. Take my word for it. Coax headers, long tube headers, Corsa Extreme, cat back exhaust. They had to put cats back on this car, so it was catless. It's already got the tow hook. It's got the carbon covers here. Let me know if we should keep these or not, if you guys think that's cool or not cool. Don't know how I feel about this piece either. Yeah, buddy, we back. Let me pop the hood for you guys. Let me show you the interior. Added carbon on the door handles. Added carbon. The wheel is phenomenal. This is like a $900 option that they added. Carbon around the display, carbon there. Yeah, buddy. 40K miles on the clock. A little bit more than my last one. Carbon shift knob. Carbon dash again. I'll show you the goodies. Carbon everything, man. I'm sure this video is gonna find the previous owner, so I looked up a good amount. I think we got it figured out that this thing isn't completely destroyed. Well, let's hope at least. Ported blower, catch can, big gulp, Coax long tube headers. Thing just sounds nasty with the Coax. Diffuser. Just sounds nasty. Ooh, let me sit on the inside. I'm actually gonna put the build sheet down below. Thing can run E85, has the meth kit in the trunk, has the lines already set up. It says 825 horsepower at the motor. Sheet says 825 horsepower, 709 wheel horsepower, 739 torque on E85 and 93 mix 50/50. 649 horsepower, 687 torque to the wheel on 93 gas. That's what it's tuned to right now. Like I said, 40,000 miles on this one. There's just a couple mods I don't care for, but other than that, this thing's really clean. It feels good, it feels solid. They added so many mods. Dipstick's been changed. You got carbon covers, the gas cap's been covered. Just every little thing you could add, this person added. So hopefully that's a good sign. I'm sure this video, like I said, will probably find the original owner. Looks like one guy owned it for a long time. Second guy, I don't know if he was scared of it or maybe he found a problem before I did. But she's mine, so if she blows up, it's my problem. Let's hope it doesn't happen, but it is what it is. But I just rinsed her off. Picked this one up in Charlotte at Godspeed Motors. Shout out to them. Shout out to Joe. Go see Joe. Good guys over there. But just a solid. Love the cover. Definitely feels ported. Upgraded pulley system. Catch can. We believe it's just the top pulley. Let me see. But you got the big gulp that you can't run without a tune. So yeah, man, really stoked. Glad to be back. My brain thinks it's the old car. It's got the tow hook. Has little rock chips at the front on the front bumper. Not the end of the world. It's not going to be a show car, but just nice to have a clean looking car. Like I said, let me know about the flags on the rear windows, and then let me know about the back. I don't know how I feel. We might just sell it. Let me know what you guys think. Grinding hard lately. Hope you guys can understand. Dropping my phone. Been just working too hard. I was saving money, trying to invest and do the right thing, and just wasn't as happy. I needed my car back. My car, I would say, was a little bit cleaner than this one, but wasn't as modified, of course. That one is long gone. Didn't even look for it, but saw this one here in Charlotte, like I said, and just had to go scoop it. Of course, it was white. It couldn't have been a different color or anything. So we're back, boys. Give this video a like. Take it easy. See you guys next time.